Hi guys, what's up people? So today we're going to be reviewing Windows 11 from start to this end. So keep watching. Here's a clip of Microsoft announcing Windows 11. Alrighty guys, so we have the Windows 11 virtual machine set up on this PC. It's pretty cool. It's on a virtual machine. Please do not try this on your main machine. People on YouTube have tried it. I mean, you're gonna have bugs, dude. Alright, so the insider preview is out, by the way, and it is damn hard. Only few people's PC support it. So please, if you can, go ahead and install it on the secondary device, not on your first one. Alright, so let's that start button so that we start launching Windows 11. Alright, so it's starting up. I should please. Yes. So, Windows 11 logo, pretty cool. Gotta say, not debate with that. It's a pretty cool one. You would notice the difference once you install it, and that's just the VM glitching out here. Literally. Ooh, perfect timing. Okay, let it load up. Let's see. As in the intro. There you go. It looks just amazing. And I'll tell you what, this background, it's one of the most high definitions, the best backgrounds provided by Microsoft by default. Wow, I mean, that's just awesome. So the first thing that I hate about Windows 11. So if I left click, there's only taskbar settings. Actually, there's supposed to be task manager. Who knows, PowerShell and stuff like that. But pretty neat. You have to left click on the right click on the Windows logo and you get all this. Wow, that's a pretty neat feature. I think it was much needed for everyone. Alright, so the next thing is the start menu. Looks pretty cool, right? But if you're thinking this is a bloatware, actually if you click on it, it starts installing. So for example, if I click on Instagram, it starts installing. Actually, it was not installed. Let's uninstall it because I don't want to install right now. So you can remove, and now you can go here, pin to start, and it goes over here and says. So you can move to top it and it goes to the full top. Microsoft Edge, Chrome, two browsers are put together. The AI in this is damn good. I gotta say that much. Hats off to Windows for it. Alrighty. So the next thing we have in place is the file explorer. All the icons have changed. Oh my god, the downloads looks crazy. Look at that. Do you want a comparison? Here, let me put up my host machines thing. So yeah, 1 minute. Look at that. Can you see that difference? I mean, this looks so plain, this looks so good. Alright, so drag back this. Alright, so the next feature, my favorite feature of all time, the multitasking feature. Look at that. Let's make that there. So we can put 4 windows according to Microsoft. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's pretty cool. The insider build is out. You can go check it out. There are a lot of new features. As usual, the action center, it's going to be changed in the insider build. So that, yeah. And look at that. The clock font has changed. Wait, hold up. There you go. The clock font has changed. Let's go. And now, best for all the news lovers. Oh yeah, news actually comes over here so that you can see your news in your computer without ever want to access this phone, you can use it in your thing, but it's not loading for me because it's in a virtual machine. Here's the settings. It's still the same in Windows in this version. And luckily, you can activate Windows 11 with a Windows 10 product key. So all the cracking software for Windows 11 licensing will work on Windows 11. So yeah, that's pretty good, convenient. The one more thing I hate is, so if you didn't know, this was a feature in my Windows, the Windows 10, that if you click the mouse action, so if you click this, it should open a new instance of any tab. So for example, if I click Google Chrome, so if I click Edge, it should open a new tab or a new whole instance. That's one thing also. The best feature that everyone will love, whoever's using dual monitor and single monitor, has support now. So for single monitor, you have support for the tab resizing easily, and for dual monitor, you can put 2 different desktops and 2 different backgrounds. Let's change this to this one. This is my second favorite. So if I go here, this says same. This one changes. Bam! So you can put desktop 1 on your first monitor, desktop 2 on your second monitor. And so if you unplug or switch off your monitor, it all comes to your same place, right? Then once you plug it back in, it goes back to the place it was. Pretty cool, right? Neat. Thank you Microsoft for this version of Windows. If you want more details about this, just hit the subscribe button and like button and comment down I want more features or review. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.